Hey, it's Shireen here with another Adobe Illustrator tutorial, and this time we've got a quick tip. This one is real quick. I just want to review sort of how to manage these artboards, and actually we have a very specific tool for that, and I think it's pretty intuitive. Let's take a look. For just setting up, I just did a file new, and I set myself up here with a tabloid page. And let's say, for example, I want to add another artboard. So what I would do is I would go to my artboard tool. The rest of the interface is going to go sort of gray, as you see. And now if we look up at our control panel, that confirms that this is a tabloid artboard and that it's horizontal. And so if, like I said, I wanted to change or to add rather another artboard, all I have to do is click on New Artboard. So now I have Artboard 1 and Artboard 2. Artboard 2 is selected. Say, for example, I wanted to change the orientation to make that vertical. I could do that here. So let's just go ahead with our black arrow and kind of deselect. Just select anywhere on the board. It brings you back into your regular work mode. And let's say, for example, then that I have some really beautiful artwork on one of these boards. I'm going to use Option or Alt to kind of make a duplicate. And let's say for whatever reason I need to make a third artboard just like this. Well, now I have some choices. I'm going to go back to my artboard, but this time I'm going to make sure this button here is selected. This one says Move and copy the artwork with the artboard, so that when I go ahead and make a duplicate, for example, oh, click on it, sorry, when I make that duplicate, it's going to come over. I unclicked it when I was toggling with it earlier. So when I make the duplicate, the artwork will copy over if this button here is pressed, Move or Copy Artwork. And as you saw, when it wasn't pressed, it didn't copy. So, so that's it. So if you don't want it to copy over, make sure that that's not checked. If you want to copy that artwork over, once you have your artboards, of course, you can always rearrange them. So you can come here, bring them and start to bring a different configuration. And this is going to tell you the number of the artboards because let's say, for example, if you choose to print them, you can choose, to only print one artboard at a time. Once you have your artboards, by the way, too, even though I have it set to tabloid because that's what I want to print, just letting you know, you can always just edit the size there as well. Whenever you want to get rid of an extra artboard, you hit delete, and then you'll be responsible for deleting any of the artwork that you have. Your artboard panel, by the way, just giving a shout out, it also gives you the list of the artboards, and you can rearrange them in order as well. Okay, so I hope that that helped clear up how to manage those artboards. Any questions or comments in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.